Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be my first the new year makeup haul. Around the holidays I started seeing like a lot of low buy, no buy videos, and I was actually going to jump on board and do like a low buy, no buy. Then the holidays started and I never got around to filming that video. And then the new year started and I just started picking up makeup. So I will say that I am going to be more mindful, but I am not going to be doing a low buy, no buy. Because why? I work hard for my money and I enjoy buying makeup. With that said, this is stuff that I've gotten since, today is February 9th and probably the first week of January. So I don't think I did too bad. But all these items were purchased on sale. I will say that. First up is this Clover Too Faced palette, and I got this one on Amazon, so I don't even know if this is real because that's the risk you take. So I'm gonna swatch a few of these shades, and they're pretty soft. I mean, they feel like they're going to be buttery. Let me go ahead and take down my ring light. I really wanted this palette and they had it on Amazon, and I had like $25 in credit with Amazon, so I paid like 20 something dollars for this. I am obsessed with my dogs, and even though this is a Chihuahua, this is like their Chihuahua Clover, it reminds me of my little Oliver. So I know a lot of people say that they think Too Faced is like, I do agree, they're weird. They have like sexual innuendos with their makeup, but then they come out with like what people think is like kitty makeup. I just think this is cute. I don't look at this and think of a little child. I just think it's adorable. So another item I picked up that I wasn't going to pick up because I've never heard of this brand. This is LA Splash, and this is the Golden Gatsby. I've never heard of the brand, but I think it's the Beauty Addiction. I will have her linked down below, but it's Jen. So I watched her video where she did kind of like she went to Ulta and bought some stuff, and she actually did like swatches on these. Ooh, see, she swatched them and she said that the mattes were super creamy, and they are. So those three, oh yeah. So she swatched a few of them actually. And she was saying how creamy, sorry if my arms are a little ashy. Let me just clean up my hands so I don't make a mess of myself. But she was saying how creamy they looked. And I'm a sucker for packaging. I don't only look at packaging, but I am a sucker for packaging. So I did pick it up because not only did I get 20% off when I saw it, but after seeing her swatch it, and I know that doesn't mean anything, but I still want to, if I like something, I still want to buy it and review it. So I will be testing this out in the near future and letting you know my thoughts. But this is LA Splash, the Golden Gatsby. And this retailed for $28, which is like, it's not bad, but I've never heard of this brand. It's kind of like, you know, a little bit above drugstore. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. So I wasn't going to pick this item up, but I got, again, 20% off of Ulta. So got this Milani Make It Glow Luminoso Glow. I do want to do a video. I got this idea from Kathleen Light's like affordable glam makeup, and I do have some of their palettes, so I do want to do a video. This looks absolutely stunning. I just don't like the pan size. But I just got a Wayne Goss brush where I think I can make it work. I got that, and I can't wait to try that out. So Jouer had, this was part of their holiday collection. This is the box it comes in. And this is the Making Magic Ultra Foil Eyeshadow Palette. And this is the palette. And I believe it retailed for $35. Was it 35 or 40? Let's see. I will try to find out what this retailed for, but basically it was on sale for 30. This wasn't on sale, but this was 40, and then they had 50% off of all items I guess from their holiday collection. So I don't think that these are available anymore, but I don't know if I'm keeping this yet. I like to buy makeup even if I save it and give it as a gift, because it just brings me joy. So this is the palette and it's cream. So I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it yet. I am dabbling with some cream, so maybe I will. If you guys have tried this, let me know. I don't have too many people that follow me yet, so no one ever talks to me about, you know, if they tried something. I have a few, like a couple, that come to my channel. But that's this, and then this is the palette. These are very, very wet looking, like extremely. I mean, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. So I'm really excited about those foil shades. Okay, and then what also comes with the palette is this topper. This shade here. So these are the foil shades, and then this shade here. I'm not swatching everything just because I have to clean myself up a lot. So that was Jouer. They were having like a half off sale. And this is what I talk about in one of my other videos that when I first started my channel around the summer. After the holidays, wait, like I saw that Jouer palette and I was like on the fence about it because I just saw some people swatch them and they looked absolutely stunning, the shades, but I wasn't like 100% sold on the price. So I waited, and I'm glad I did, because this is stunning. But I'm glad I paid 15 bucks for it and not whatever it was originally. Another item that I picked up at Ulta, and this is the second coupon that came out. So now this one is including prestige brands, is this It CC cream. It came with this brush. So if you purchase this, you got this, and then I got 20% off. Another item that I hauled from Ulta at 20% off is the Urban Decay new brow blade. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm super excited to try this out because, again, I'm really not good. I watch YouTube videos all the time, and there's just so many different YouTubers that I watch. I have the ones I'm subscribed to that I love, and then I just watch other videos. And this is from a girl that I recently discovered, and I will, you know, have them linked below. She actually has a lot of followers, but she uses like I think it's the MAC felt tip, and it looked so natural. So I was really excited to kind of test something like this out. And ooh, it does feel nice. It is like feather-like. So I think I'm gonna like this. I think I'll have to get the hang of it. So this is the Urban Decay brow blade, and I actually got mine in neutral Nana or Nana. I don't know. So I picked up one item from Juvia's Place, and that's because they had, I think, 40% off. And I feel like I've never noticed them, like you have to hit a certain amount to get free shipping, so you're always going to pay for shipping. But I ended up getting this, I think, for $17 altogether. I think it was like 40% off. And then their shipping. But this is the Tribe by Juvia's Place, and I knew I wanted this palette, but I also know that Juvia's Place is always doing sales, so I went ahead and waited for a sale. I always pick up the item right away but I can never review it because I only film once a week. So I'm like, you know, why do you keep buying new releases? So I wait for it to go on sale. So I knew I wanted this one because I am obsessed with greens. These colors and this one. Oh my God. And then I've seen some really gorgeous, gorgeous looks. So let's see how these swatch. Oh my God. Again, I got these because of the greens. And that's just one swipe. So I am really, really, really excited about that one. I saw some beautiful looks. Mel Thompson did a beautiful one. Heidi, she reviewed it. She did a beautiful eye look. So I'm really excited about that palette. And yeah, so. All right. And last up, we got ColourPop. And we got ColourPop, and I wasn't going to get anything from ColourPop in a while because they're always releasing stuff, and I've been hearing rumors about a green palette, so I'm holding out for that. But then my homegirl Kathleen Lights had to, you know, do another collab. But I'm very happy for her. I don't care that ColourPop keeps collabing with Kathleen Lights. I mean, they spit out so much makeup. If that's not your cup of tea, then just pick something else out that they came out with. No sense in bringing down an influencer because you're tired of seeing her. I think people are just so negative in this community. Like, it's just makeup, guys. So I did pick up part of her Zodiac collection. I was selective. I picked 2 that I wanted right away. And I'm like, and I'll wait for a sale for the other ones. And I picked mine and my husband's sign. Because I figured, like, I could do something maybe for Valentine's Day. Even though they're not Valentine's Day colors. But he is a Virgo, which is the maiden. And I'm not going to swatch these because these are messy. This is the fish, which is this, like, minty shade. So I did pick these up. And of course, because I got them right away, a week later, because of, I don't know what ColourPop was celebrating. They were celebrating something and everything was, I think, 20 or 30% off. 20 or 30% off. So these went from being $6 a piece to $4.80 a piece. So I do have 5 more shades coming and I'm done. So I watched other videos and I got the Archer. Let's look. So the other shades that are coming, I got the Ram, I got the Scorpion, the Archer, the Crab, and the Scales. I will say that I didn't want that emerald green color because I just felt like I had enough of that with the Smoke Sessions palette. I also have enough blues. So I did try to go for colors that were unique but that I would use, and I felt like the Scorpion, the Archer, and the Scales were shades that were absolutely gorgeous, wet looking, metallic. And then the Crab was this blue, like this powdery blue color that I don't feel like I have throughout my collection, although I think it might be similar to the blue in the Prism palette. So I will have to swatch those 2 side by side. And then I can't remember who I saw on YouTube because, again, I was just kind of looking at reviews and I wasn't subscribed to this girl, but I will try and find her and list her below. She did a review on these and she said that the Ram was probably the most unique, the most gorgeous color. And I really enjoy sunset looking eye looks during the summer. And the summer is going to be here before you know it. So I went ahead and got the Ram. So those are on the way. But finishing up this order, I knew I wanted to try the Luxe lipstick, the Velvet Blur, and I got the California Love shade because there are other shades that I wanted, but that one stood out the most to me, and I wanted to try the formula first. It does feel soft. That is the shade California Love. So, got that. And then I got the Becky G ColourPop loose highlighter and fell in love with it. I got it in, I think it was G Smith. So I went ahead and picked up Princesa, which is like a very pale pink color. I'm obsessed with, I didn't think I would like loose powder, but I'm obsessed. And I summer's coming and I'm going to be highlighting everything. So I did pick up another one. So Chisme is kind of a gold color. This one's kind of a pale, and then this is supposed to be more of a rose gold. So I did pick up that shade. So I think that is everything I hauled. So yeah, new year, same me. I'm still, you know, buying makeup, but I am being more selective, and I am getting it more on sale. Although I was disappointed that I just didn't wait one more week because I could have gotten all this, but it's already inexpensive. ColourPop is already inexpensive. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like me and haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe. And for those of you that are subscribed to my channel, a big thank you. I really appreciate your support, and until next time, guys, bye.